Oh, wow, that's really good. It's a kale shake. You know, a few years ago I made a New Year's resolution. I was going to start eating more greens. I had to get more vegetables in my diet. It was right around the time when I quit drinking. When I quit drinking beer, I started drinking kale shakes.
Yeah.
So this is my kale shake. It's got half a lemon. It's got a whole cucumber. It's got about 2 cups of, kale. Actually, I think this one has a little spinach in it too.
Oh, what?
You're just gonna fill up the blender, and then 2 bananas, and you blend it all up, and kale shake. And that's really good for you guys. You wanna lose weight? You gotta start drinking kale shakes in the morning.
Yeah, huh?
You go, oh, what should I have for breakfast? Should I have some Captain Crunch or a donut? Nah, have a kale shake. It's sweet. You have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about kale shakes. Anyway, that was my commercial for kale shakes. What's your resolution gonna be? Here comes a fan. Who cares? I used to shut off the heater, but it's too cold to do that now.
Yeah, huh?
I always forget to turn it back on, and I'll be freezing. Like, how come this house is so cold?
Right.
Oh, that's right. I shut off the fan. Wawinda Mao. Wawinda Mao.
Wawinda Mao.
Promise. A resolution is like a promise you make to yourself.
Mm-hmm.
From this day forward, I promise blank. So what's your resolution going to be? What are you going to promise to change? That's what New Year's is good for. You can always, make a change.
Mm-hmm.
You can change your mind. La la
Da,
la
da, da,
la.
da.
Wawinda Mao. Promise. Make a New Year's resolution. Make a Oshki Kikanuno in.
Oh, what?
Wawinda Mao. Make a New Year resolution. All right, that's all I wanted to say. Drink your kale shakes.
Yeah.
And I will see you again. GOFUNDME. Oh, by the way, come to our New Year's Eve show.
Yeah.
New Year's Eve at 11:30. GOFUNDME, Minawa. Oh,
Oh, what?
2 bits. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. We two have run about the slopes and picked the daisies fine, but we've wandered many a weary foot since old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne, for old lang syne. take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Wishing you a very happy New Year. Miigwech.